Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn up Instagram story auto-saving. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, we can open our Instagram profile. So we can click on this profile button and click on this three lines on the top right corner of our screen. And we have to scroll down to open the archiving and downloading right here. Again, here you can turn off the Instagram story auto saving. You just need to click on this toggle button. Make sure that you turn off the save story to gallery option. Okay, and right after you turn off this feature, your story won't be automatically saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off Instagram story auto saving. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.